Hi guys, when using a computer, the C drive is full, leading to slow running lag. Today I will guide you on how to clean the C drive to empty it, as well as help your machine run smoother to reduce the lag. I'll give you instructions on how to clean the disk. Delete temporary files. Delete files in the trash. Remove unnecessary applications. Reoptimize the C drive. Cleaning the garbage. First, delete temporary saved files. First, you go from Run to the search dialog or press the Windows plus R key combination. Here, you type the word temp and select OK. In the window, you choose Continue. In this window, you select all the files saved temporarily by pressing the Ctrl plus A keys. Then, with the right mouse click, select Delete. This will show up the window that you ticked in the square. Second, you also open the shaking dialog, then type %temp%, select OK, select all files, right-click Delete, and close the window again. Third, you do the same thing, open the shaking dialog, type the word perfect, select OK, continue with Continue, do like the first, select all, select Delete, the file usage window pops up, you tick the All box, then choose Skip, then close the window again. The second way is to delete the folders in your trash, since the folder files in it also take up part of the C drive. You choose to open the trash, then press Ctrl plus A keys to select all, then right-click Delete. The Delete Items window pops up. You select Yes, wait for the cleaner, then close it. The third way is to remove the unnecessary applications that will increase the space on the C drive. You click on the Windows icon, select the setting, then select the app. This will show the applications installed on your machine. You will see which applications are not needed, then choose Uninstall, choose Yes to uninstall it, do the same with other applications, will make your machine run smoother. Fourthly, optimize the drive to increase the performance of the computer. You open the Explorer folder, select this PC, then right-click on the drive, select Properties, continue to select the tool, select Optimize, select the drive, and then select the Optimize item. You wait for the machine to be optimized, the time depends on whether your drive is fragmented much or little. If you wait until you're done, your C drive will be OK. So you're closing it. The fifth way is to clean the C disk. You also open the Explorer folder, select this PC, then right-click on the C drive, select Properties. Here, in General, you select Disk Cleanup, pop up the Disk Cleanup for the C window, tick Select all entries in the file to delete, then select Cleanup System Files, trigger the scanner, then tick Reselect all files in the file to delete, and then select OK, display a message asking if you want to delete files, you select Delete File, you wait for the delete machine to finish, then the memory of the C disk will be increased. There are ways to clean up the C drive, increase memory, and also make your computer run smoother. If you see, like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Hello, and see you again.